Hi, Aaron Ajelski with Tribble Painting. And here we are in this bedroom where the client has brought us in. We're going to paint the walls, ceilings, and trim. And today we're going to get started on the ceiling because we always want to do a ceiling first. There's a couple of things about when you're going to do a ceiling. You want to make sure you drop out your floor. We like to move all the furniture into the middle, cover it with plastic. It's important if you have objects in your ceiling that you need to cut out that you leave room when you move the furniture so you can still access those. You always want to make sure you got a ladder. I've got this nice 4-footer. This will work fine for this room. If you're doing a taller ceiling, you might want something a little bigger. And just make sure you got the appropriate ladder for the room you're working on. Then I've got my cut set up here with a brush and Johnny roller. So we're going to get into it here. All right, so we're going to get started cutting the ceiling out. So a couple things, we're going to start over here in this corner. Get your ladder set, make sure that's good and stable, not wobbling. And then I'm going to get up here where I'm comfortable. I'm a tall guy, so I don't need to get super high on the ladder, but just make sure you're in a comfortable position where you can reach the ceiling real nice. Now for this project, I'm going to be using the roller more than the brush because we're going to be painting the walls and we want to bring the ceiling paint down on the walls a little bit so when we do our wall paint, we can make a nice line. If you're just doing the ceiling, you'll want to use a brush and try to cut this nice and keep it off your walls, but that's not something we need to do. So here we go. Okay, so now we've got our ceiling cut out and ready to roll. So I've got here is an 18-inch roller, and I'm using a 4 to 8 extension pole. You want to use an extension pole. I like this larger one, saves on my shoulders, and I can do more ceiling from one spot without having to move a lot. Don't necessarily need an 18. This is what we like to use because we can get through a lot of ceilings real fast with it. All right, so we're going to get into it. Also, when you're rolling a ceiling, you generally want to try to roll with ambient lighting. So if you've got a window, you get a lot of sunlight coming in, you kind of want to roll with that direction of the lighting. That helps break down or eliminate any flashing you may get from the light that comes in. Okay, so that's it for the first coat. We're going to move on to the next room and get working on those while we let this dry. So if you have any questions about any of the products that we used, tools, that kind of thing, put them in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and we're going to go do another room.